A major political storm has erupted in Karnataka after fresh corruption allegations. Now, the BJP has gone on the offensive, accusing the Siddaramaiah government of a multi-crore excise scam and demanding a CBI probe. The BJP alleges the excise department took bribes to issue bar licenses, encouraged excessive liquor consumption, and also ignored repeated complaints from the wine traders. The party has accused the Congress of looting Karnataka and has sought a CBI investigation. Excise Minister R.B. Timmapur has flatly denied the allegations, insisting that there is no scam under the Siddaramaiah government. Rejecting calls to resign, he accused the BJP of running a smear campaign. Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, D.K. Shivakumar, has also dismissed the charges as baseless and politically motivated, alleging that the BJP is deliberately targeting and defaming a Dalit minister for political gain. Earlier, the Karnataka Wine Merchants Association alleged a 6,000 crore rupees scam in the excise department during the 2 years of the Siddaramaiah-led Congress government.
It is all bogus, nothing is there. What they are telling is politically motivated. They are just trying to defame a Dalit minister, that's all.
Sir, what do you have to say about the allegations made by the BJP?
No allegation, no allegation, nothing.
Okay.
I am answering Assembly and Council.
But even the wine merchants are saying that close to 6,000 crore rupees of scam in the
क्या
department.
एविडेंस में क्या है एविडेंस है ना एविडेंस है ना
No, sir. So far they have not produced anything.
नो एविडेंस
But BJP is demanding a resignation of you. They are protesting today in front of
What
Mahatma Gandhi
purpose,
statue.
what purpose resignation?
They
I
claim
have
that there
he have any evidence? No evidence, nothing.
So how will you take this forward, sir? Will you be able to answer in the assembly over this?
Definitely, no, nothing, no evidence, nothing.
You will be answering the question in the assembly. Sir?
Definitely.
Adjournment motion.
Definitely.
The only intention of Congress government in Karnataka is to loot the state. We have been telling Congress party wants to come to power in Karnataka because they want to become an ATM for the Congress High Command. This has been proved again and again. In the excise scam, it's a more than 6,000 crore scam, wherein excise minister himself is involved, his family members are involved, and proof has already been emerged.
What liquor association is claiming more than 6,000 crores of corruption in the last 2.5 years in the excise department. Presently, the liquor minister, Timmapure, and CM, both are involved. That's why the liquor association last 6 months back, they went to met CM. There is no reply. No, now they are going to give the protest